You're about to spend serious money on an SUV, and somewhere out there, a mechanic is quietly hoping you pick one of these, because for them, it means job security. For you, a financial nightmare. Here are 7 SUVs mechanics see in their bays over and over again, and what to buy instead. Number 7. Jeep Compass, 2007 to 2016. The Jeep badge draws people in. The CVT transmission pushes them out, often before 100,000 miles. This generation Compass is plagued by transmission shuddering, slipping, and outright failure. Replacement costs run $3,500 to $5,000. Rust, electrical gremlins, and a cheap interior complete the package. People buy it for the name and the price. Both are deceptive. Better alternative? Mazda CX-5. Better built, better to drive, dramatically more reliable. Number 6. Nissan Pathfinder, 2013 to 2016. The Pathfinder used to be a legend. Then Nissan fitted it with a CVT transmission so unreliable it became infamous. Failures commonly hit before 80,000 miles. Worse, the radiator can crack internally and mix coolant with transmission fluid, destroying both components at once. That combined repair, $5,000 to $7,000 easily. People buy them because used prices look like a bargain. There's a reason for that. Better alternative? Toyota 4Runner. Mechanics rarely see it because there's rarely anything to fix. Number 5. Dodge Journey, 2009 to 2020. This SUV ran for over a decade, not because it was good, but because Dodge never bothered replacing it. The V6 engine wears out early, the cooling system fails regularly, electrical problems are relentless, and the third row is only useful if your passengers are under 4 feet tall. Engine failures between 100,000 and 130,000 miles are common. At that point, repair bills often exceed the car's value. People buy it because 3-row SUVs at this price are rare. That price exists for a reason. Better alternative? Kia Sorento. More refined, better built, and it won't nickel and dime you to death. Number 2. Range Rover Sport, 2005 to 2013. Air suspension failure, timing chain stretch, electrical chaos, sunroof floods, take your pick. The air suspension alone can cost $3,000 to $8,000 to fix. A timing chain failure on the V8, you're looking at $6,000 to $12,000, often more than the car is worth. The annual repair costs for this generation are among the highest of any SUV sold in the US or UK. Mechanics love seeing these roll in. Their owners, not so much. People still buy them because they look phenomenal, and honestly, they do. Better alternative? Porsche Cayenne. Comparable presence, dramatically better reliability, and it actually holds its value. Number 1. Nissan Murano, 2009 to 2014. Here's the thing about the other vehicles on this list. Buyers generally know they carry a cost. The Murano pretends to be a sensible family SUV. That gap between expectation and reality is why it's number 1. The CVT transmission fails, commonly, often before 100,000 miles. Replacement costs $3,500 to $5,500, frequently more than the car is worth by the time it goes. Nissan even faced class action lawsuits over it. On top of that, the radiator can crack and contaminate the transmission fluid, finishing the CVT entirely. Electrical faults and instrument cluster failures are widespread, and yet it looks great. The interior feels upscale. On a test drive, you'd never know what was coming. People buy it because it makes a strong first impression. The problem is everything that comes after. Better alternative? Toyota Venza or Honda CR-V. Reliable, practical, and you won't be funding your mechanic's holiday. So there it is, 7 SUVs that look great on paper and drain your bank account in real life. Every single one of them seemed like a smart buy at the dealership. The lower price, the premium badge, the impressive test drive, but reliability doesn't show up on a window sticker. Before you buy, check owner forums, read the reliability data, and get a pre-purchase inspection on any used vehicle. The best SUV is the one that runs for years without drama. Drive smart. We'll see you in the next one.